Oh my god, what is this?
Bug Bum Video Production presents.
What is the YouTube category list?
How many of you content creators even pay any mind to the category list section?
After uploading a video, you can navigate to the category section in the advanced settings of Studio. Just scroll down to the bottom, just above the section listed, comments and ratings.
Categorizing your videos is important, just like categorizing the shelves at the library, in terms of subject, genre, and reading level.
There are 15 categories listed. Number 6. Gaming. Gaming is in huge demand around the world, as there are so many games being developed that online gamers are never getting tired of uploading reviews of the game. This category helps them generate a good amount of viewers in a quicker time period and makes their video a big hit.
Sometimes, I wonder how some gaming channels thrive, but, to each his own.
Please support the creator of this channel and donate if you can. You can also help Bug Bum grow by subscribing, like and share. May God bless.